Hi everyone, so welcome to Tech Compilation. So today we are going to discuss one of the very interesting features of the TIBCO BW6, like how we can create basically the custom XPath functions. So like in the TIBCO BW6 we have some predefined XPath functions are available, and on the basis of our uses we are able to use that. So what happens, suppose some of the functions in which you thought you had to use it, that function is not available. So for that we basically write the Java code or some other technique. So what we can also do by using that functions, features, we can, using that Java code, we can create the custom XPath function and we can install into the runtime. So we can use that function similar way how we are using our existing or pre-inbuilt the TIBCO BW6 custom XPath function. Once suppose at a time like when we feel we don't need this custom XPath function, we can uninstall those custom XPath function also. So let's start today. So I will show you how we can create the XPath functions. So we are going to the TIBCO BW6. So to create the TIBCO XPath custom XPath functions, we need to go to the file new project. Here we need to select the plugin project. Yes, so that is the plugin development. Inside that plugin development, we have to select the plugin project options. So use this Tech Compilation custom functions. So suppose I am using for the Tech Compilation custom function. No need to make any changes. Here I am adding that my project into the working set, so that I have created here. Go to the next. Here let it be like let this properties with the default values. If you feel like your execution environment is not matching of your Java configuration, so you can make the changes over here. For me it's fine. Make sure this plugin will make contribution to the UI will be available. Go to next. So here you can see we have selected the plugin project, and in this plugin project TIBCO is providing us the different kinds of the plugin related templates. So we are going to create the custom XPath. So we are going to select this custom XPath function wizard template. Once selected, click on the next. This is the category of the custom function. Okay, here I am providing one one prefix, http tech compilation custom function. So that is the namespace I wanted to provide for my function. Go to the next. So here we have the two ways to create the custom XPath function. So one way is to, if we have already written the Java class, so that we can select here and all the methods will be part of the custom XPath function. So that we don't have yet, so we are going to create the manual one. So suppose I am going to create one function called replace all. Okay, so that is basically we all have encountered this kind of situation where we need to replace the string. So mostly we do the by translate function or we create the Java code. So let's create this one as a custom function. So this is going to take let me put some description. Replace character of a string using brackets. So this is going to take 3 parameters. So one is the input string, that is our actual string, that is going to the find the string, and another is going to the replaced by string. Oops. Yes. So we are done here. So let's quickly go to the click on fees. So it's asking all like because this is the different kind of project. So this is the plugin development project, and in the TIBCO BW6 they have used the different perspective. So by default it's asking to go to the plugin development perspective, but we can also stay on the design perspective. It's absolutely okay. So I wanted to stay on the on the design perspective. Yes, so here you can say the project for this plugin is created. So we are good. Go to the custom function. So here we can see the class and functions is created. Just I'm going to make the actual replace work. So I have added the replace one, replace all, and here I am going to replace the argument 0 by find and argument 1 by replace. Yes. So that we have completed the custom XPath function. But creating this, it doesn't mean that your XPath function has installed. Why? We can check basically looking into the one of our code. Okay. So suppose I wanted to use that particular function. If you see here, that function is not there. So what I need to do to use that function? First we need to install it. Okay, if you wanted to use that particular function in that, so first you need to, for the design time, into the model properties, you need to go to the dependency and you need to add this function. You need to add this function. So this is called how we are making at the design time. So this function is now available. So in this project, now that is which means that this test POC is using some of the things of the tech compilation custom function. That's what you have added as a part of the dependency. But what about for the runtime? So runtime, we need to make sure we have to install this. So how to install this? Right click on this function, go to the export, and here in the plugin development use this option, deployable plugin and fragment. Go to next. Make sure this is the selected. Here you need to install into host repository. Finish. You'll see the installation is happening, and once that is successfully installed, so you will able to see like where you have the TIBCO BW6 pre-inbuilt custom XPath function. At the bottom of, we will able to see our custom XPath functions. So that is installed. So once installed, for the software has updated, so it's going to ask for the restart. So you can restart it. It's coming. Now we'll able to see into the XPath list. Our function will be also there. So let's skip some time because we all know like BW6 is very memory extensive. So our building workspace has completed. So now we are going to this one. We wanted to check whether that particular XPath function is available or not. Go to there, just see, select this log, go to there, go to input, see the functions. you can see replace character or string using regress. So now we are able to see the custom XPath function in there. Now if we need to use, we can simply drag it, and you can say we can use it similar to our others. Hello. Hello world. So suppose we wanted to replace L as a M. See, so this is, so once we installed into our repository, which means we have enabled our custom XPath function for the runtime. Okay, now similar way we can use this. What happens, suppose we don't need this custom XPath function, or suppose I have installed it incorrectly, I don't need it. So simply how to uninstall it, we can go to the help, we can go to the about TIBCO Business Studio. There, here we can see the installation details, and here we can see, we will able to see the tick compilation custom function. See, here you can see the tick compilation function, the version is this, it has the already one associated ID, the provider name is the missing. Correct. If during the creation, if we'll put the provider name, that will be complete. So you can say that is the thing. Here we have the three options we can see, like so one option is called uninstalled. So just click on the uninstall. Let's. So it's asking review and confirm the item to be uninstalled. So we are okay. Finish. So once this custom XPath function is getting uninstalled, which means the software update happened, and it is again asking for the restart. So let's wait. Now when I will open our studio, and we'll see that particular custom the TIBCO tutorial custom XPath function for replace all, will not at all able to see that particular function. Yeah, so we wanted to verify it, whether that particular functions are there or not. See, our XPath function is gone. Here we can see the error, because it see that particular function is not. So this is going to conclude how we can basically create the custom XPath function, how we can use into the design, as well as how we can install into it, and how you can also uninstall. So hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much for your watching. Thank you very much for your time.